Doctors. Turtles are doctors. I think the water didn't drain. It's a collection of decades of rain, I believe. You see I still visit them. I remember like the first time I had arrived to this pond. It was so long ago. The birds there, they rock with me. Some birds actually attack. Some birds actually really do attack. Like, say if you go to Macarthur Park, some of them will like fly towards you angry. Though for the most part, I get along with birds.